SHA nigo muchiwe n'ababwatani b'ekinyagitari chia bene abatabirina murubulito nyakabago gwikirania korengana na magani abo na korengana n'ababwatani abo nigo gwikira bonoiga okugania kwabo kurwase serikali gosiso murubulio SHA gwetera ase okugania gwechibesa chichanya kwa chigotumika kinyagitari ekyo tikoranyara kabago gwikiranirwa nokorwa ase serikali ane mono umurubulio SHA inse ye wizara abamenyi
Since its inception in October last year, Kenyan hospitals have submitted claims worth 93 billion Kenya shillings to SHA, of which the private sector has submitted 60% of those claims. Faith-based facilities have submitted 11% and public facilities have submitted 29%. So within that time, only 50 billion shillings, representing 53% of all SHA claims, has been paid. It is our view that the accumulated arrears of SHA, which as at today morning stand at 43 billion Kenya shillings, are a threat and a risk to the Kenyan health system. This amount of money, 43 billion shillings in debts within 9 months, is more than NHIF accumulated since the year 1966. We are extremely concerned, and unless something is done very rapidly, we think that the healthcare system faces imminent collapse. Therefore, while we applaud the transparency, that transparency must not be used for propaganda. It must paint the full picture, and the full picture is that SHA is not collecting enough money to settle the claims that Kenyans are incurring when they go to hospital. Number two, on the issue of outpatient services at level 2 to level 4 facilities that the government has repeatedly said are free of charge.
Na omokonyi bumuraibense musike Professor Abraham Githure Kindiki nigagendire kora emirobelio ya empowerment system nabo igo ase agenda gusegeta na gotabuna serikali ya Kenya nigo ere numukia omonene bwokoene kiabuna gosirere chitaranta ao.
Tukiendelea hata hii Wajia, walimu wote watakuwa ni watu wa sehemu hii, ili ambao wanaelewa hata mila na dini na mambo ya sehemu hii, na ambao hatakuwa anatoroka wakati kuna shida, kwa sababu